Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about this Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys screen rotate problem how to solve. Friends, when you own any app, when you own your phone gallery app and friends your screen rotate automatically. So how to fix screen rotate problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So how to solve screen rotate problem. Friends, you can see when I own YouTube app, as you can see YouTube screen rotate automatic in my Redmi mobile. So friends, same problem you have in your device. How to solve, how to fix screen rotate problem. Open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, click your display setting. After display setting friends, you can use dark mode setting, brightness level setting, reading mode friends you want to on, so you can on from here. Friends, you want to change screen color, you can change screen color from here. Text size, you want to change text size. Right side you can increase text size, left side you can decrease text size. Once click here auto rotate screen is on, so once turn off your auto rotate screen and once your problem is solved and once you can use your YouTube screen, you can on any app, screen will not rotate automatic. Hence you can check screen will not rotate automatic. And once again if you on auto rotate and once if you on your gallery, so once you can see screen will rotate automatic. So friends, you have a screen rotate problem, so open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can solve this problem from your phone additional setting also. Click here. After additional setting friends, click here accessibility, right side swipe here and friends you can see auto rotate screen is on, so turn off auto rotate. After turn off, screen rotate problem will solve in Redmi mobile. And if you on auto rotate setting, so your screen will rotate automatic. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem. And friends, you want to use power button to end call, so you can on from here. And guys, one more shortcut setting friends, you can solve screen rotate problem. Open your phone search option and then search here auto setting, auto. After auto search auto answer setting, Android auto setting, screen rotate setting friends, here direct friends click here display setting. You want to solve screen rotate problem, you can solve from here. And you want to solve screen rotate problem from additional setting, so turn off auto rotate, your problem will solve. And first you can see automatic brightness setting, auto call setting. You want to use auto call setting, so you can on auto call and you can use it in your Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.